Hey guys, welcome back to another lazy lesson. Today we'll discuss about WhatsApp hacking, how was it hacked and why was it hacked, concerns associated, and what is the Indian government saying now. Let us discuss this based on these two articles given in today's Hindu newspaper. Well, what actually happened was between April and May 2019, the WhatsApp was used to spy on journalists, human rights activists, various politicians, and big business tycoons. Now, how was it hacked? It is said that the WhatsApp was hacked using a software known as Pegasus. This software has been developed by an Israeli group called as NSO. The NSO group claims that it uses this software only with the government security agencies and not with any private agency. However, the WhatsApp has already filed a case against NSO group in a federal court in the US. Let us now understand how this was hacked. An exploit link is sent on WhatsApp. The target, when clicks this link, a spyware known as Pegasus is installed without his notice. Once it is installed, the device is said to be hacked. The hacker gets all the access to the user's device. Now, to gain access to the user's device, Pegasus uses something called as a zero-day exploit. A zero-day exploit means an unknown vulnerability even the developer doesn't know. Even before the developer understands about this breach, the device is already hacked. Once the device is hacked, the hacker gains access to the data, passwords, gallery, calendar, text messages, and even to live voice calls. The hacker can even turn on the camera and microphone without the user's awareness. Now, let's have a look at the concerns associated. This software can be used and abused by irresponsible companies to venture into our private lives. This also raises a question about WhatsApp's end-to-end encryption. In end-to-end encryption, no one else except for the sender and receiver would have access to the sent messages, not even WhatsApp. However, this has not helped in preventing the installation of Pegasus. But still, compared to other social messaging apps, by far WhatsApp is the most secure. Now, Indians are more worried because roughly about 400 million Indians are using this application. This is somewhere around the total 25% of the total WhatsApp users. Now, this is the main reason why the Indian government is planning to take suitable action against the WhatsApp. It is because WhatsApp was legally bound under Section 70B of the Information Technology Act to inform the government about the issue of hacking. Besides, there is also the issue of security compromise. It is because not everyone can afford the Pegasus software. The NSO group charges somewhere around $8 million for this software. Now, what lies ahead is to be seen. Now, today's fact is air independent propulsion technology. The DRDO recently tested a land-based prototype of an AIP submarine. Basically, submarines are of two types. One is conventional and the other one is nuclear. These conventional submarines use a diesel electric engine and when they are underwater must surface daily for oxygen for fuel combustion. This will affect the stealth feature of the submarine. But if these diesel electric engine submarines are fitted with an AIP system, they need not come daily to the surface. They can come only once a week. And this makes the submarine a better performer. And in AIP fuel cell, the energy is released by combining hydrogen and oxygen. And here water is the only byproduct. And this makes the cells more efficient. And since these systems do not have any moving parts, the submarine will have a low acoustic signature. And that's it for today. Thank you.